How to attract a girl with your jokes without you being a joker? Hey, you know what? If you ask a girl, what is the most attractive quality in a guy? She says, sense of humor, the guy who can make me laugh. Also, you have been told many times that if you're good at making girls laugh, she will fall in love with you. By believing this idea, most guys even become jokers to make girls laugh without realizing that girls don't attract to jokers, they just like their jokes and being entertained. In this video, I will tell you the right way to attract a girl without you being a joker. First, let us understand why laughter is important in attracting a girl. When you make a girl laugh in your company, she will be relaxed, she will enjoy your company because laughter easily bonds people together. If you can make girls laugh, you will have many chances to attract girls than the guys who don't know how to make them laugh. But there is a wrong way and a right way to do it. The wrong way to make a girl laugh is by being a comedian or a joker or even being a fool. Of course, this is what exactly many guys do. They get this mainstream advice: if you can make a girl laugh, she will fall in love with you. Girls to laugh at the jokes, whether it's played by a joker or a comedian or even a fool. But do they love them sexually? They will not. Because these guys can make a girl laugh, but they cannot build an ounce of sexual tension in her. Yet millions of men make this stupid mistake when trying to attract girls with their jokes. I didn't mean that you shouldn't tell jokes to girls to attract them. You can very much crack jokes, but the only rule of thumb in the art of seduction is without you being a joker. Yet many guys make it too hard to make a girl laugh. They will become jokers or even fools to make a girl laugh and come across needy and desperate guys. The another and right way to make a girl laugh and get excited with you is by taking alpha and superior man role. You will even crack jokes at her. She will laugh at those jokes. She will be excited to listen more. In the process, you even earn more respect rather than losing your respect like a joker. Your jokes should seem like something that comes naturally, like a person who is in a good mood and playful. When you play jokes in a right frame that helps you project your alpha masculine qualities, even the silly jokes can make girls laugh and get excited with you. When your jokes appear natural but not a product of an effort, girls not only laugh but they get excited to be with you. Then you have mastered this. Then you can make a girl feel relaxed and happy and most importantly, get excited with you. You will have no short of such tips, techniques and core concepts in my latest Video Love book. Click on the link below to check it out on Amazon.in. Learn to make your dream girl not only laugh but get excited with you. Thanks for watching. This is Sam from Video Love. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let me know your feedback in the comments section below. I will see you in the next video.